In this question, there is a spherical ball of mass 5 kg which rests between two planes which makes angle 30 degree and 45 degree respectively with horizontal. The system is in equilibrium. Now we need to find the normal forces exerted on the ball by each of these planes. The planes are assumed to be smooth. So we need to find the forces acting on the ball due to at its equilibrium position. Because of weight of the ball, mg is acting downward. Because of the contact surface, a normal reaction N1 is acting upward. Because of the other contact surface, another normal reaction N2 is acting downward. So if we consider the forces at the center of the ball, we can draw at the center of the ball we have mg downward, we have N2 making an angle of 45 degree with horizontal, and we have N1 making an angle of 30 degree with vertical. So because of these forces, the system is in equilibrium. So as the ball is not moving horizontally or vertically, we balance horizontal as well as vertical forces. If we balance the horizontal forces, then this angle is also 30 degree. We can write N1 sine 30 is equal to N2 cos 45 degree, or N1 by 2 is equal to N2 into 1 by root 2, or N1 is equal to N2 root 2. This is the first equation relating the normal reactions. Now balancing forces in vertical direction, we can write N1 cos 30 is equal to mg plus N2 sine 45 degree. Now if I put the value of N2, I can write N1 cos 30 is under root 3 by 2 is equal to m is 5 kg, g is 10 plus N2 is N1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. So here from we can write N1 into root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 50, or N1 is equal to 100 by root 3 minus 1 Newton. This is the normal reaction exerted by the inclined plane having inclination 30 degree. And here from we can find N2. N2 is N1 by root 2, that is equal to 50 root 2 by root 3 minus 1 Newton. This is the normal reaction exerted by the plane having inclination 45 degree. So the correct answers are 100 upon root 3 minus 1 and 50 root 2 upon root 3 minus 1 respectively.